Hello, myself Priyanka Chawla. I am from Jamnagar, Gujrat. I have completed Bachelor of Science in Information Technology from Chawla University in 2017. After completion of BSc IT, I was preparing for government exam but I didn't clear it. After then, I was searching for job in IT field but did not get. Then I came to know about Evision Technoso Private Limited. This company is all about IT recruiting company and consulting. Then I started an internship in this company. There I came to know about different technologies such as networking, Windows administration, CCNA, cybersecurity, Linux, etc. I got real-time experience in eVisa. Starting from networking, I learned different topics such as peer-to-peer network, client server network, topology, N plus basic, OSI and TCP/IP models, virtualization, IP addressing. Our trainer Roshan sir explained very deeply and nicely so that we can learn more precisely. After that, I learned about Windows administration. In that, we have a topic such as local user and group, administrator account, how to configure domain name system, work group, Outlook. In that management, what we need to do, where we need to do. After that, in that, Vibhushish Raudas sir solved our queries and encouraged to do more and more practicals. In CCNA, we learned more deeply about OSI model, IP addressing, how to configure static routing, dynamic routing, all types of routing, and in that we learned ACL and its type, network address translation, remote address of router, etc. These all topic we learned, and other topics such as frame delay, WAN technology, wireless concept, inter-VLAN, subnetting concept. These all topics we learned, and in this internship, these all topics and many more topics we have learned. During this internship, I learned troubleshooting, how to resolve the issue, how to take the backup from Windows, and there are many advanced topics such as BitLocker, group policy management, Windows deployment. These all topics we learned from Tarun sir. He teaches very nicely, and it was a great experience with him. It was a real time experience for us to do this all the things. Now all the practical that we have done during this all the session, it was just equivalent like we were doing job in IT company. Now I'm 90% confident, or else I can say I'm 100% confident to crack the interview in the first attempt. Now all the theoretical as well as practical topics are cleared, and I'm confident to do all the practicals of CCNA, domain, Outlook, etc. Every Saturday there were the mock interview arranged for us. In that mock interview, either we have to do PPT presentation, or else we have to do question answer session by our trainer. All the things were arranged by trainer. In that we learned each and everything very nicely, and it helped us to learn more accurately and encourage us to speak without any fear. After each and every mock session, I came to know where I am weak and where I need to do more work. Means I need to practice more and concentrate on that particular topic, so I can clear it and I can do very nicely. I can improve in that topic. Now I am feel free and confident to crack any interview in the first attempt, so that I can get the job, and I assure that I can be asset for a company to, and I can prove it by cracking the interview in my first attempt. I am perfectly ready for it. Thank you very much.